Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and it's Friday, time for another Halloween decorating idea, how to make a web at your entranceway using duct tape. Let me show you how it's done.
So if you're thinking about doing this, obviously you can look at a spider web that you could probably search online if you wanted to, and you're just trying to mimic that a little bit. There's no rhyme or reason to how you start. I'm just using this as a centerpiece, and then once you use that, then I would pick corners to kind of go out on an angle, and then you fill in from the center.
This is a great idea for your front entrance as your Halloween guests approach, and you can just really have some fun with how you create this web. And if you wanted to, while I'm using black duct tape, you could use multicolored duct tape too if you wanted to make it more festive or fun. There's really no rules. It's just about creativity and enjoying the Halloween holiday. It's easy to get caught up in this decorating idea. Make sure you check out the other Halloween decoration DIY ideas we have on our YouTube channel. You can always go to acehardware.com and stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.